get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Welcome to Razor, the all-in-one Discord bot designed to manage, engage, and grow your community. First impressions matter. Razor greets new members with customizable welcome messages and images, while automatically assigning roles to get them started right away. Moderation is fast and powerful. With simple commands, staff can warn, mute, time out, or ban members. All actions are logged automatically for easy record-keeping. Razor keeps everything transparent with detailed audit logs. Every action is tracked, from warnings, mutes and bans, to role changes, nickname updates, and even message edits or deletes. Logs are posted in clean embeds so staff always know exactly what happened and when. Tickets are smooth and professional. Members can open support tickets in seconds, staff can respond inside the thread, and Razor saves a full transcript when the ticket is closed. Giveaways are effortless. Start one with a / command, let members enter, and Razor automatically picks the winner. Polls are just as easy, perfect for quick community feedback. And here's something special. Razor can power an AI chat channel. Members type, and the bot replies instantly with smart, natural responses. Razor also includes a modern music system. Play songs, skip, view the queue, all powered by Lavalink for smooth playback. And that's not all. Starboard to highlight the best messages, AFK statuses, reminders, economy, XP, logs, and more. Razor is packed with features. Razor is easy to configure. Everything is managed with / commands and clean embeds, so you're always in control. One bot. Every feature you need. Easy to set up, simple to manage, and proven to work. Get Razor today on Built by Bit and take your server to the next level.